Most of you probably know the squares of 15 and 25. 15 squared is 225 and 25 squared is 625. However, I'm guessing that the number of people who know the square of 35 is much fewer. 35 square is 1225, 1225. What if I tell you that there is a really nice shortcut to find the squares of numbers ending in 5? Let's use the same number 35. To find the square of 35, just take the digit before the 5, that's the 3, multiply the 3 by 1 more. 3 plus 1, 3 times 4 is 12, and after that simply put the square of 5, which is 25, next to it. I will repeat. Take the number before the 5, 3, multiply that by 1 more, 3 plus 1, 3 times 4 is 12, and that will be followed by 25, which is the square of 5. Now let's try the square of 55. Using the same method, 5 times 5 plus 1 is 6, is 30, and the square of 5 is 25. The last two digits, by the way, of all answers will be 25. You just have to work on finding the part before the 25. What about 75 squared? 7 times 8 is 56, then 25. Simple as that. Now, does this work with 3-digit numbers or higher? Let's find out. Why don't you try the square of 125 using the same method and verify that on your calculator. As always, let me know your answers in the comments. Now, those of you who are curious why this always works, I can explain using algebra. But first, let me give you a hint. A 2-digit number can be written in the form 10a plus b, where a is the 10th digit or the digit before the 5. And when you square this number and expand this binomial, after a few steps you get this. Then at this step you can factor these two terms to get this. Now this is a really good place to think about how this is related to the shortcut that we applied above. And if you haven't figured it out yet, look at a times a plus 1. It's the 10th digit times 1 more than the 10th digit multiplied by 100. Then you add the 25. The product of a times a plus 1 will be pushed to the left of 25. In our first example, 35, the 10th digit was a 3. Using this expression, 100 times 3 times 4 is 1200 plus 25 gives you 1225. And those of you who are even more ambitious, can you try working out the algebra for a 3-digit number ending in 5? So a 3-digit number can be expressed as 100a plus 10b plus 5, and square that, work out the algebra, and convince yourself that it actually matches with the shortcut that I showed you above. Thank you for watching.